We're going to replace the cabin air filter on this 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. So to get to the cabin air filter, I'm going to open the glove box. There are two tabs on the inside of the glove box, and then there's a piston on the passenger side of the glove box. First thing we're going to do is push this tab over, and it'll unclip the bottom of the glove box. And I'll rock the glove box to the driver's side. Then on this side, we're going to go ahead and disconnect that piston. Just pull it right off, straight away to the passenger door over the clip. And now your glove box can come off. So this is where we need to get to. This is the cover for your cabin air filter. There are two clips, one on each side. With a pick tool, we're going to get in behind that clip, push it open, and pull away. When you do one side, you should be able to just take off the other. There's your air filter. I'm going to use the pick tool and just pull this out. So when you go ahead and reinstall your cabin air filter, take note of which way the airflow goes. It's going to come in through the front and down to your feet. So our airflow is going to go down. Find the channels and go ahead and slide that all the way in. Now we can reinstall our cover. I like to put the driver's side clip on and push until the clip seats, making sure it's flush and not bowed out, top, bottom. Nice. Next we're going to install our glove box. There are two clips here that your glove box rotates on. We're going to go ahead and put those over and push in. Those will lock in. And then you're going to take your piston and lock it onto the clip on the side. And then you can just push and close.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.